Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change email on Amazon. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Amazon app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you've already created your account and you are logged into it. Once you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to change your email address on your Amazon account, you need to go to your profile settings. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom left corner, tap on it. Once you're in your profile page, here you can see account option, tap on it. Scroll down to account settings and choose this login and security option, tap on it. Here you will be able to see the email section. You can see the edit option right beside it, tap on it. Now from here, you will be prompted to change your email address. You can enter your new email address over here. And once you're done, tap on this continue button. And you will receive a one-time password from Amazon to that address, and you will be able to change your email address of your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.